Okay. I think your hello, your minor exam will be started from 21. Hello.
I'm 31.
I'm 31.
31 or 21?
I'm 31.
Okay. Now all of you joining. Hello. All of you joined. Hello. Yeah, इसमें आ रहा है. You have bad network. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Am I am audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
And you
Yes, ma'am.
you can you hello. Can you see my PPT?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Black screen.
Okay. Today is about the number system. So what is the number system in computer? I think it's now visible, my PPT.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Good. So what is the number system? Can anyone tell me what is the number system in computer? As many of you already learned in the your
Hello, ma'am.
12
Your
year
voice
previous.
is lagging.
Yes.
Hello.
My
Your
voice
voice is
not
lagging.
clear. Okay, I think there is some network issue today, so that's why. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's clear.
No, ma'am, it's not clear.
For everyone, it's not real, or only for you?
Ma'am, it is clear.
Hello.
It's clear, ma'am.
It's clear,
It's
ma'am.
not.
So please check your network, है ना? Because all other student can hear me clearly. So please check your network. Hello. So
Hello,
what is the
ma'am.
number system? Okay. So can anyone tell me what is the number system in computer? What is the mean of the number system in recording computer?
A way of representing data in the form of numbers in computer.
Yes. Yes. Or anyone else? Hello. All of you know well known about the gigahertz, megabytes. Okay. So what are these are? What are the meaning of the if you say your computer has the memory of 4 GB, 8 GB, है ना? So what is the meaning of this? Hello.
The amount of byte that can be saved in the device.
Yes, exactly. Amount the byte we can store in our computer, and our computer or any digital system known about can recognize only the 1 or 0 number, है ना? This is known the binary number. Same like on or off, switch on or switch off. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So in computer we have the 4 number system. First is known as the decimal number system, then binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Okay. So what is the decimal number system? Decimal number system is like we are writing now 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Hello. Means they have the power any number we can represent by the 2 power. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And binary number system. Binary is the defined by 1 or 0 only. Okay. And then octal number system. Octal number system and binary number system and hexadecimal system, these are all known as the like positional value system. ठीक है? All these 1 second, give me a binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Okay, they are the can you see whatever I am writing here? Means right now I am only the underline. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So first is the decimal number system or the digital number system. Okay. So if I write here 7, 3, 4. Okay. So how you can convert, or how we can look about only 7. If I talk about the 7, okay. This is the 7.
Are you writing something, ma'am?
Yes, I am writing something. It's
Only
not
line
visible.
service.
It's
Ma'am, it
visible
is
or
visible.
not?
Only line.
Ma'am, visible.
So if I talk about only 7, so what could be we can write here 700. I am talking about only 7. Okay? Or we can write 7 into 100. Okay? It's clear to you? And or we can write 7 into 10 to the power 2. Okay? I think it's very clear and no any doubt. है ना? We can
Yes,
write
ma'am.
now. If I talk about the 7. And another example, if I write here say 9, 7, 1. And in this number, if I talk about again 7, so how can I write the 7? So I can write 7 like 70, 70, or 7 into 10. Okay? Or we can write 7 into 10 to the power 1. Okay? We can write here. So you can see the difference. So what I am doing here, I am only taking about the 7 and 7 position. Okay? And if I talk about, this is the third example, if I take a number say 207, and in this example, if I take 7, okay? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the rightmost. Okay, this is the rightmost your digit. So if I talk about this 7, so I can write only 7 or 7 into 1, okay, or 7 into 10 की power not or you can say 0, into 10 power, this is 10 power not or 0, because in this value if there is the only 0, so we get the only 7. Okay? Getting my point? Hello? Hello? Please answer
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Second is the binary number system. So what is the binary number system? Binary number system, also known as a positional value system, where every binary digit having only the 0 or 1 number, or we can write only the 0 or 1. Okay? And there are also two first is the your least significant bit and the most significant bit. Okay, so rightmost digit in your binary digit known as the least significant bit on and the most significant bit is the leftmost number. Okay, just I erase all these things. Okay, okay. So for example, there is always a least significant bit and the your most significant bit. Okay, so I can write here, okay, 1, this is example, and again I can take 1 and then 0, then again 1 and I can take 0. Okay, so which is the your rightmost? This is your the rightmost number. Okay, this is the known as the rightmost. Can you see whatever I am writing? Okay, and this one is the your, this one is the known as the leftmost. Okay, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this one is known as the in this position we can call this number is a most significant bit. Okay, and on the other side, this 0 we can known as the least significant bit. Okay, hello.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you always have remember binary number system having the positional number system which are having the least significant bit and the most significant bit, and the rightmost number is known as the least significant bit, whereas the left most number, positional number, is known as the most significant bit. Okay, it's clear. Now how we can write. Okay, so let me erase all the things. Oh, okay, now for example, if I talk about the example 1 1 0 1 0, can you see this? Okay, and
Yes, ma'am.
since this is the binary number system, so here we can write like 2. Okay, because each digit has a value expressed in power of 2 in binary number system. Okay, so we always write like this. Okay, can you see now whatever I am writing? Hello, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I can write also 1. What is the position? This position we start from always 0. Okay, so 0, then we can write here for this position 1, then for again 0, this is position 2, then for again this is position 3, and the last one position 4. Okay, and we always starting from the least most significant bit. Okay, means from the right side. Okay, so I can write here 1 into 2 because this is the binary number system. Okay, and in octal number system we always use 8, but in binary number system we always 2 expressed by the power of the 2. So 2, and what is the position? Here we can see 4. है ना? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we can write 4. Okay, plus 1 into 2 power 3. Okay, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Hello.
Okay, here, hello, yes. Okay, here I am writing from the means more significant bit, but whenever you are writing the right way of writing is always we using from the left right number means the least significant bit. Okay, so I can write here also, if I chosen from the this is the from more significant bit, but here I can also write this. Okay, so how I can write 0 into 2 power, what is the power? The first position is the power of 0. Okay, so 0
Yes, ma'am.
plus, then again what is there, 1. Okay, so 1 into what is the 2 power of 1. Okay, then again I can write here 0 into 2 power of 2, है ना, and then
Yes.
this such on. Okay, so what value we get? Can anyone tell me what value we'll get? I think all of you have in pen and paper. Hello.
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 Yes, ma'am.
I think
Hello,
all
yes,
of
ma'am.
you have in pen and paper with you. So please tell me what will be the value. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
हाँ बेटे, please tell me
Hello.
what will be the value for this. Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
If
hello,
I
ma'am. Your voice is again lagging, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. 2.
Hello.
am I not audible?
Your
Hello.
voice is lagging, ma'am.
My
No,
voice
ma'am,
is
you are
lagging
not audible.
for all students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Hello.
Okay. Okay. So let me explain. If I talk about 1 cross, yeah, 1 if we 1 multiply by, hello, hello.
Hello.
Now I am audible.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
1 second. Give me 1 second. Something. Hello. I think it's okay now.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
lagging.
Yes. Okay. 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 So I again erase all the things and repeat again. Okay. So my example was the 11010. Okay. So 1 into 4 2 power 4. Okay. Plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2. Okay, and plus 1
मैम वो नंबर क्या था जिसका आपने एग्जांपल दिया था मैम?
11010. Same example I am taking again. 11010. Okay.
Same, ma'am.
Yes, same.
Ma'am, you're taking same example.
Yes, I am taking same example.
Okay.
Okay, and then 0 plus, this is plus. Okay, so what will the value here? Value must be 2 power 4 is the 16. Okay, so 16 plus 2 power 3 is the 8. Okay, and if you multiply anything by 0, so value always will be the 0 only. Then 2 plus again 0. Okay, क्योंकि we are multiplying by the 0. ठीक है, तो our what is the our answer? Can anyone tell me what is the our answer?
26.
26. Okay, very right. The answer is the 26, and here we write on 26 10. 10 is for the decimal. Okay. So we have the binary number 11010. So we can write on this way, and then on this is the way to get in our answer. Okay. Now some more you have to practice in your home today. Okay. Now I move on the octal number system. So what is the octal number system? Same like binary number system, octal number system is also positional number system. Okay.
Okay.
Where we have expressed any number by 8 power of. ठीक है? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, now octal number system. So how we can write octal number system? Hello. Also octal number system we have the digit 0 from 7, means we have the 8 number. Okay, starting from 0 and till the 7. So in octal number system has the 8 digits starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till the 7. ठीक है? Hello. And is also positional number system and expressed in power of 8. Okay. So if any number, okay, so we can express by 8 power 0 plus 8 power 1, okay, and so on. Okay. For example, I am taking here 726. 726. And since it is an octal number, so in base there is always written as 8. Okay. 726 in base of 8 means this is the denoted over octal number system. ठीक है? So for 726 number, how we can express? So first we can write, what is this? Position 0. Okay. And next position will be 1. And the next position will be the 2. Okay. So
Okay.
I can write here 7 into 8 power. What is the power here? 2. Because position is the here 2. Okay. Plus 2 into 8 power 1 and plus 6 into 6 into 8 power 0. Okay. So what will be the value? Please quickly answer me.
465.
No. Anyone else? What will be the answer?
No.
470.
Yes, right. 470. Okay. So this is the 470. And what will be the there on base? है ना? Means in octal number system there is the base of 8. But if you are converting, so their base is the 10. Okay. Same like the binary number system. Hello. So decimal
Yes, ma'am.
equivalent of any total octal number. Okay, I am repeating. Decimal equivalent of any octal number is sum of product of each digit. Okay, is sum of product of each digit with its positional value. Okay. Hello. 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 Please answer me better. Otherwise, I don't know. Understand you are listening me or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now fourth is the hexadecimal number system. So what is the hexadecimal number system? In hexadecimal
J16.
number system, we have the 16 symbols. Okay. We have the 16 symbols, and which are the 0 to 9 and 0 to 9 and then A to F. Then A to F. So A denoting for using for 10 and B for the 11. Okay, here I am writing here A, B, C, D and E and F. Okay, can you see now? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So A for the 10, B for the 11, okay, C for the 12, then 13, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
है ना?
Hello.
So hello, bete.
Hello.
Am I audible to everyone? Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Can you
Am
listen
I?
me? Anyone listen me? Yes.
Yes.
I listen you, ma'am. You listen me.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
I'm listening to you. Okay. Thank you very much.
No
Okay.
listen, ma'am. Your
So
voice. No listen. Not
I don't know
not
better
audible,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I also know
what
this.
is going on. I don't know, but
Ma'am,
from
I
my
also
side
know
it's
this.
okay. From my side it's all okay. Means all of your voice is clear to me, and all is going smooth. Please check on your side also. Maybe some network issue. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So hexadecimal number, I think all of you understand what is the hexadecimal number. How we can denote the hexadecimal number, right? Okay. And this is also the positional number system, same like the others number system, and each digit has its value expressed in power of 16. Okay, means every digit in the hexadecimal number it's express itself in the power of 16. Okay, like the others number, like the binary number system, it's expressed by the power of 2, and octal number system is expressed by the power octal number of 8. But in the hexadecimal number, it's expressed by the your 16. Okay. So same like here we can write 16 to power means 0, then 1, then 2. Okay. Hello. So here I raise all things again. Okay. So here I am taking an example. This is the 2. Okay. I am erasing again. If I take an example 27 FB, ठीक है, And what will be the base? On the base, it must be the 16. Right? Hello? Hello? Can anyone can me answer me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here I am taking example of 27 FB. Okay. So what F stand for and B stand for? Can anyone tell me? F and B.
15 and 2.
Hello. 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 So I'm writing here 2 power 16. And what is the
Hello.
position of the 2? Yes, bete.
Hello.
This is,
Ma'am, you hear
this is
me?
the yes, I can hear you very clear. This the position is 0.
I'm not coming your voice, ma'am.
Okay. Whatever I am writing, can you see
Ma'am,
now?
Hello.
Whatever I am writing, can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So this
Ma'am,
is the
no see, ma'am. Ma'am, no see.
you did not see.
No see, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you writing something, ma'am? Lines are visible, ma'am, only.
No, I am writing everything. I am writing 27 F. This is the hexadecimal number. I am writing the hexadecimal number 27 FB. Okay.
But
So
ma'am, I no see, ma'am. What do, ma'am?
okay. So I will take your extra class sometime. Okay, and then repeat again because it's only
Okay,
the
ma'am.
I think network issue, nothing else. So this is not in
Yeah,
my
it
hand
is network.
to do anything with the network. Okay.
I think network
Ma'am,
issue.
it's visible on my.
Okay.
ma'am.
So it's
Ma'am,
mean
I
it's
do
must.
see the screen.
Okay, means I think if someone can able to see, okay, so it must be in the recorded. So you can see the recorded video for this lecture. Okay, I have
Ma'am, what?
recorded all the things which
Ma'am,
I am doing. So you can
can I?
check. Hello.
Hello.
So you can check your recorded
Hello.
video. Don't worry.
Hello.
Hello. Bete. Hello.
Hello.
Who will
Hello.
not to able to see या
Uh,
able to hear, please check after the lecture your recorded video on the same team. Okay, and I think there must be everything will be the clear in the recording.
Ma'am, your
Okay.
audio clear not.
Ma'am, you're not. I'm not able to hear you. You're not audible.
I am not audible, but better I can clearly hear to you. Means all of you I can hear very clear.
Ma'am, you're audible.
So what I am saying to you,
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
please check the recorded video after the class, and there must be everything will be the clear. Okay, if there is some network issue, but in the recording I think everything will be the clear, so you can see the recorded video after the lecture. Okay, in the evening whenever you have the time after your classes. Okay. Okay, bete. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So F is stand for the what is the number 15. Okay, and B for the your B for the 10 or 11. Who can say me?
$11.
Yes. Okay. ठीक है. So what will be the year? This is the 2 cross 16 power 3 plus 10, plus 7, sorry, this is the 7 cross 16 power 2, then 15, because F stand for the 15. Okay, so 15 cross 16 power 1 and plus 11 cross 10 power 0. ठीक है, so you can solve, and whatever we have the answer, we write down 10 on their base. Okay, hopefully you can understand. Now there is a sky coding. Okay, this is and what is the full form of sky coding? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ठीक है, hello. And in the sky coding there is the 26 upper case letter and 26 the lower case letter, and total 10 digit 1 to 10, and also 20 to 40 special character. Okay, what are the special characters? What are the special characters? Tell me. All of you using your laptop, your mobile, your too many electronic gadget. Okay, so what are the special character? Like dollar, percentage, okay, star, asterisk. So these are known as the special character, and in the sky number system there is the 20 to 40 special character, and with the 7 punctuation marks. Okay, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think your time. Okay. Or also Sky is a 7-bit code that has 28 possible codes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, yes, bete.
Ma'am, someone has removed me from the meeting.
Please do not do this, bete. Why you are removing each other? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So hopefully you understand what are the decimal, binary, and octal and hexadecimal number, the basic of the 4. Okay. Hello.
Ma'am, again, someone has removed me.
What is your name, bete?
Ma'am, Anshika Jan.
And what is your serial number?
Sorry, ma'am.
Serial number or class number? Because I have to take
0306.
0306.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, don't worry. I write down your serial number and name. Okay, and I will mark your attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
this is
happen
the
to me.
yes.
Please
Yes,
mark
bete. Yes, please say loudly. Hello.
Ma'am, the same happened with me. Please mark my attendance too.
What is your name?
Ma'am, 330 Prajwal.
330 Prajwal. Okay,
Me
Prajwal.
too, ma'am. Me too. Hello.
How many students are removing? Please tell me your
Hi,
name
teacher.
also. After
Yes,
Prajwal, who
ma'am.
is the
Name.
Ma'am,
please?
346.
Ma'am, mine too.
Me too.
Okay, I do one thing. I take your attendance, all of you who are the present here. Okay, so please tell me
Okay,
your
ma'am.
name.
My name is ma'am Shantanu.
One second, I can also download your attendance. Please hold 1 minute. Okay. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I can see total is the 35 student present. And how many? I think only 35 student are you now? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you present. Then why worry? All of you present here.
Ma'am, we have rejoined the meeting.
Okay, okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. So what is the basic idea about the binary number system? Okay, and the hello.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bete.
You have downloaded the attendance.
Yes, I downloaded the attendance, and all of you present. Total in the meeting total is the 36, including me. So, in your class is 35 now. Hello, total student is 35. Am I right?
IDK ma'am.
So I think all of you present. Then okay, and please practice on this number system, and I also share this PPT to you. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
In the same team code I will post it after the class, so you can also practice. Okay. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bete.
Ma'am, you will gonna take Monday's lab period also?
Yes, yes, I will take. How many program covered in your lab session? Hello. How many
IDK ma'am.
program you did now till now?
IDK ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, many.
Means there is a number na 1, 2, 3, and what program you do? Actually, you done your program. Hello.
We done many programs.
For example, there is some. I think also some name na program. What program you do? Hello.
From 10 to 12.
10 to 12. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, name not remember.
Ma'am, we don't know.
Yes. You don't know and you don't remember. This is answer.
We have just maintained the file.
Okay. So
Maybe 5.
uh, during you maintain your file, you did not see what the your heading about your practical list and what are you doing? No.
No ma'am. No
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
didn't
ma'am.
count.
Okay. No, I am not about the tell about ask about that counting. I am ask about the which program means you are what was means 1 plus 2 yeah means your multiply program yeah your plus program what you do. I am asking that only.
We do
Hello.
computer program.
Very good. You do computer program. Okay. Okay. So please practice on this number system. Okay. And from Monday onward, means for coming week, only I will take your classes. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, bete. हाँ हाँ हाँ. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are
Hello
audible.
ma'am, leave then we.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So all of you can leave now. Okay. But
Okay
please
ma'am.
practice on this number system. Okay, right?
Okay madam.
Okay. Okay.
Okay
Thank you.
madam.
Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Neha.
hello, ma'am.
Yes. Jasandeep, please ask to your CR to contact me. Okay.
CR
Hello.
contact you, ma'am.
यस यस प्लीज उसको बोलना कि मुझसे कांटेक्ट करे, ठीक है? कौन अभी है सीआर यहाँ पे? आपकी क्लास का सीआर अभी यहाँ पे है या लीव कर चुका है?
मैम कुशाग।
ओके, सो एनीवन हैव योर सीआर नंबर? प्लीज गिव मी हिज नंबर. हेलो हेलो जसनदीप, हेलो.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Jasandeep, are you have your CR number?
No CR number, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, it's fine. Okay.